Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, nigga, shut your ugly ass up, nigga. Fuck you and your mother. Okay, I'm not fucking kidding, bitch. Nigga, I got two fucking AKs, nigga. Shut your oath, nigga. Fuck your ugly ass, nigga. Nigga, shut your ugly ass, bitch ass up. That's it, nigga. Yeah. Dusty ass nigga. Yeah, shut your ugly ass bitch, fucking ass, nigga. Yeah, nigga, you is so fucking annoying, boy. I'm not playing with you. Okay, shut the fuck up. Now it's my turn, nigga. Bitch ass, big nigga. Yeah, 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 nigga, you is so fucking trash. I'm a kid, you is the fucking grown up. I can cuss because my mom can. Yeah, mom, yeah, you don't wanna know what my mom's name. I mean, it says it on the tablet. Oh, why did I leak that? That was annoying, bitch nigga, fuck you and your grandma, your family. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If my girlfriend hear this, I'm not talking about you, my girl. Yeah, she's my lady. She's my lady. She's my girlfriend. Okay, I just got her. Not today. I think 100 days ago. Yeah, I really don't know. I got my girlfriend's number. Nigga, you don't have shit, bitch. Bitch, looking at my what? Yeah, you better suck my ass. Looking ugly ass, bitch. Yeah, nobody wants to hear you because you're so trash, you're food. Looking TT, we do. My name is Mr. TE. Yeah, peace out.